Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today I have a haul for you from a few various sources. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to do right here in the intro because it's a larger item, is an item I got from Ikea. So if you are someone who doesn't have a dedicated craft space, this is something that we found that is a really good option. So we're going to be going on a trip in early part of July, and of course I'm going to be taking some beads with me. I'm actually going to meet up with some other Pampered Chef people to do the national conference. Even though we're not doing it in person, just a few of us are going to get together just so that we can kind of, talk to each other and all that stuff. So we're going to be meeting up somewhere to do that. So of course I'm going to take some beading stuff with me. And, I want to have a portable work surface. So check out what I found at Ikea. So it's actually a lap tray table. It has a really nice deep like ridge all the way around. So beads hopefully won't go rolling away everywhere. It has a nice little groove up in here. Now this would technically be for like phone or tablet, but guess what? Tools stand up in here very nicely. So it has fold down legs. So you can actually, I was just folding it back down so I could show you. So you actually just fold it out and then just push it in to lock the legs in. So it's actually really sturdy. And it was actually only $13. It was $12.99 at Ikea. So I know there's not a whole ton of Ikeas everywhere, but if you have one near you, and you're looking for a portable work surface, or it's just like a tray table to sit on the couch, you can see it's definitely quite wide. Goes well around my legs, that's for sure. So yeah, so this is an option for you. So like I said, the tools will actually stand up right here. Let me show you. So your tools, see, will stand up right in there. So just a fun little workstation. So, and then you can put, a piece of beading mat in here or whatever so your beads don't roll around on you. But yeah, so they're not going to roll away because it's got that nice deep ridge there. Alright, so there you go. So this is the first thing that I got. So this was from Ikea and it was only $12.99. I don't remember the name of it and I already actually threw the paper away. But if I can find that name, then I'll put it in the description below. Alright, so stay tuned. I got some more stuff to show you. Alright, so Ikea was the first location. So the second location I'm going to tell you about was Walmart. So I just picked up a couple of things from Walmart. Just a couple of things that I needed really were head pins. So I picked up these two different packages. So they're actually the same though. I just picked up two. Oh, they weren't the same. Sorry. They're the same quantity. But one is the like bright silver and one is like the antique silver kind of color. So they're both silver. One just is a darker silver. So I think it looks dark when it's laying down here on the video, but it's actually just a silver. Like you can see that a little better. And those were both $4.94 each for 315 pieces. And then I just picked up a couple of this little suede cord, and these were obviously 98 cents if you couldn't tell. So I got two of those. So that's it. So those I got from Walmart. I didn't really need this, but honestly I haven't started anything with the bargain bead box, which is kind of a beautiful purple color, and I just happened to see these and I was like, you know what, maybe I might use these in this, and maybe not, and if not, then it's no big deal. I just have them for my stash. But so just picked it up on a whim, thinking maybe I might use it with that, but I'm not sure. Alright, so there's those. Alright, so here's the next thing in this haul video, and this came from Amazon. So it's actually, it says it's a magnifier with 3 handles. So I'm assuming the handles are these things on the side here, because I do have this other piece here, and I have yet to figure out exactly where that goes or how to make that work. But, so this is what I have, and basically the reason that I got it was just to have an extra set of hands, basically, to hold something while I'm trying to work on it. So it has these little alligator clips on here. So I just have it set up with a piece of chain so I can show you the reason why I wanted it. So basically you can just hook whatever you want between those two things, and that way you can work on it. So it does have a magnifying glass on here, so you can see a little bit better what you're trying to do. But for me, I don't necessarily need it for the magnifying glass. I really just wanted it for, like I said, like an extra set of hands. So all of these pieces, they all move. You can assemble them yourself, like, you know, in any direction. They all are basically like joints of, you know, they all move around. We'll just say it that way. All the things move. So you can see all these little knobs on here to adjust everything, tightness, and exactly how you want it located. And then the only thing that doesn't move is this very base down here. So otherwise, everything else moves around wherever you want it to move. So you can see it moves a lot. And then you can tighten it so that it doesn't move once you get it to where you want it. So my main thing is, like, with chain, it's so hard for me to like keep it, you know, straight, and then like say if I want to hang charms on either side of, you know, the chain, like you want to hang something on this side of this loop and then on that side of that loop, it's hard to hold it and do that at the same time. So I figure, you know, this way I'll be able to just like hang stuff on wherever I want, and I don't have to worry about, you know, the chain moving around on me. So that was my reason for getting this. I want to say it was $7.99, I believe, with Prime, so free shipping if you have Prime. And yeah, so I love this. I haven't used it yet, other than just to get it out and get it set up so I could show you guys, but I think it's going to be a very nice help to have. So totally worth $8, in my opinion, to have an extra set of hands around. Alright, so that was that. So then the next part I have is from Joann's. So I actually had, well, I ordered one and Susan ordered one. Susan, my sister-in-law, I've mentioned her on a few of my videos. So we used their 60% off coupon, but you had to order online and pick up at the store. So let me tell you, it took 18 days for these to come through, and that is crazy for Joann's. So we got the one-step loopers. So with the 60% off coupon, they were $13.99 each, which is a heck of a savings compared to their normal $39.99 price tag. So, so worth it, but yeah, it took 18 days. That's crazy. I've never heard of a curbside pickup taking 18 days. I actually sent them a complete email, and then they finally responded, and literally the next day is when our orders were ready. So, crazy. And I ordered from a store that was an hour away because they were the only store that had the big looper. So, alright, so here is what we got. So this is the 2.25 millimeter looper, and this is the 3 millimeter looper, and basically all it does is it makes an eye pin for you. So you can use, you know, whatever gauge wire you want, and then this will make a loop. Or say if you have a head pin and you want to turn into an eye pin, or you know, you have a head pin or an eye pin and you want to turn the other side into a loop, this makes nice consistent loops for you. So there's actually also a small one, which normally I would have. I already have it, but my mom accidentally took it with her when we just did a beading thing the other day. So I actually don't have that one here to show you. But this is actually going to be Susan's looper. I already have one that I use a lot. So this is the 2.25. So now we'll both have a medium looper. She already had a small looper, so now this looper, the small looper, I'm sorry, the large looper, alright, I already have a small looper. Let me stop being confusing. So now she's going to have the small and the medium. I already have a medium and a small. My small's just at my mom's, and we're going to just use one big looper to share for now. So, there's loopers. Okay. So then the next thing, I also seem to have lost my snips. So, my flush cutters. So I just went ahead and got another one. So this was $9.99. I used a 50% off coupon that you can use in store, and that made it $5. So, honestly, I've already taken out of the package and used it a couple times, and it is so nice. It cuts perfect. I'm really loving this one. So, very happy with this one. Alright, and then a few things here. So we have some bead caps. I really was looking for some bead caps. Now their findings weren't on sale, so I actually paid full price for this, which hurt my heart a little bit. I don't like to pay full price for stuff, but I really just wanted some bead caps. So this one was $3.99 for 6, 8, and 10 millimeters. There's 120 bead caps in here between the 3 sizes. And then this one was only $1.99, but there's only 14 bead caps in here. It's 3 sizes. This is the bigger ones. So it actually doesn't say the sizes on here, but you can tell these are bigger. This is probably for like a 12 millimeter. Pull it up a little closer. So that's probably like 12 millimeter. This is like a cone. And then these are probably like 10 millimeter if I had to guess. And then, well, actually this goes to 6, 8, and 10. So I would say they're probably about the same. It's hard to tell side by side like that. I'm going to go with they're about the same. Or if anything, those are 12 and those are 14, but that seems really high. I'm going to go with 10 and 12. Alright, that's my final answer. I'm locking it in. So here you go. These are the 6, 8, and 10. So these are all just, you know, some plain, just silver bead caps. They really don't have a whole lot of choice in these. I've ordered some bead caps from AliExpress, but of course they won't be here for like, you know, a month. 2 months if I'm lucky. Or a month if I'm lucky, 2 months if I'm not. Alright, and then I just got a few strands here from Joann's. And then that is going to wrap up this video. So these, they had their beads on sale 50% off. So these were 99 cents. So now this one and this one, which was also 99 cents. This one was hot pink, and this one didn't say the color on the tag, but I believe it's just like a really pale pink pearl, glass pearl. It's kind of like a peachy pink. And then what was the other one? This one. So this is just like a silver faceted cube bead with some silver rounds in the middle. So, and this one on sale was $1.99, so it's actually $3.99 normally. So my daughter, my 4-year-old, she actually picked these out. She really insisted she wanted to do beading. She wanted to have her own beads. So this is what she picked out. She actually tried to pick out a couple more, but I was like, nope, that's it. She really wanted some owl beads. I'm like, we already have owl beads. So we just stuck with these for now. So she wants to do some beading with me, so she picked these out. So we're going to let her make up some sort of design, and that'll be the Abby piece. Alright, and then I just a few more here that I picked out. So these are $2.49, which means they're normally $4.99, which to me seems really high priced, but I don't know. I think Joann's seem to have raised their prices on their strands. That was my opinion when I just shopped there. And I haven't shopped there for beads lately, so it's totally possible that they did. So you can see, I'm trying to get zoomed in close. There are actually little like speckles on there. So it looks like it's like the light really shining off of there, which it might also be the light shining off of there, but there really is just little white speckles on there. So like there's like white speckles right there. Those 2 spots, those are actually white speckles that are on the bead itself. So to me it makes it look like the light is really reflecting on there. But yeah, a lot of it's just little white speckles, and I don't know if that's the design, is that they want it to look like that, but that is how it is. Oops. There you go. So that was that one. I just thought that was a really interesting looking bead, so I went ahead and got that. I also needed some more of just some metal daisy spacers, so that's what these are here. So really I was trying to find ones with smaller holes, but this was the only kind that they really had. They have bigger holes, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get them. So these were $3.99, and that's half off. So these were normally $7.99 for that. So that's what I was saying. I think that Joann's prices have gone up. To me it seems a bit high. So this one is normally $3.99, so I got this for $1.99. This was part of my curbside pickup order that I got. So these are just some nice shell beads. Teardrops. And then the last one here, these were $3.99, which means that they were also $7.99. And I like them because, you know, the different strands of purple. Again, I haven't worked on the June bargain bead box, which has a nice purple theme to it. So I just wanted to pick up some extra purples just to kind of have some more filler options. So pick those up. Alright, so that was it for this bead haul. I hope you liked everything I got here. If you have any questions about anything, go ahead and comment below, and I will definitely answer those questions. I know I have a video where I haven't responded to all the comments yet. I promise I am getting to that. I just haven't yet. So, it's been kind of crazy. I've been trying to figure out a video editor. I don't know why my editor is just being so crazy, but so I tried finding an editor for my laptop and I couldn't find it, and sorry, just playing with the magnifying glass. So yeah, so I think I finally have a good one. Hopefully, knock on wood, this one doesn't mess up, and I should be able to get videos out more timely now, because that has definitely been holding me back, and hopefully that won't anymore. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and comment below anything you want to let me know, any feedback or anything, any questions, anything at all like that, and I appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.